Okay, I finished removing the nut here. I will push the connector, and so we remove this, and now we'll install a new one. In this case, I don't need to replace mine because it's good. It's just for video. Okay, so I will install the new one. Make sure the O-ring is there. Feed the wire through the hole. Okay, push all the way in. Now the nut will engage, and you will thread and tighten this nut. Okay, once you thread the nut, let's give a little tight on this nut. So you will have to use anything. Can be like I'm using a little knife or a screwdriver, and move this nut until you feel like it is tight. Okay, so looks like it's fairly tight, and then you will put it back in this position, reconnect the connector. So the connector has this there's one side that has this cut, and the other connector has like a little ridge that will match. Make sure it's well connected, and now we'll put this cap back in place. Just make sure the wires are not pinched by the aluminum frame here. Okay, and so match the cap with the box, and remember again, this one with the hook goes in this position here. So put all 6 bolts tight, make sure you have a gap here, and you're done. Okay, of course now we have to test if it's latching. Of course it's latching, and the display should light up.